James Thomas, High Speed Shooting Systems. I'm here to show you a couple of the products that we make today. I'm going to start out by showing you the differences in the rubberized bipod feet and the spiked Fang bipod feet that I make, and how it manages recoil, or how it enables you to manage recoil better. We're going to start off by shooting standard hunting rifle. This is a Savage rifle, bolt action, 7 mag, so this is not a sissy when it comes to recoil.
Differences between the spiked and the rubber bipod feet now. Going to start out with just standard rubber bipod feet and have it move, show how it moves around under normal recoil. You'll notice that the rifle actually moved quite a bit around, and I no longer could see my target in the crosshairs. Now we're going to switch over to the other bipod feet and show some of the other advantages.
First of all, these are made out of stainless steel, 303, abrasion resistant. Got a nice sharp point on the end of them. Now, this is wear after a full year of competition use, so they're still extremely sharp. They'll still draw blood if you mess around with them too much. One of the nice things is that you don't have to modify your bipod in any way. Just remove the standard pin that comes in them, remove the rubber bipod feet, slide the steel one on, put the pin back in. One of the other advantages is with this foot here, unlike some of them that have just a sharp point on them, that with this foot here it helps with it sinking into soft dirt, mud, sand, and gravel. That way you don't lose the ability to stay on top of your material. It helps keep you up there, and as well, it comes into use in several other places with different positions. Some of the other benefits that we have is with the shoe here being wider, is that you can use it unconventionally. Instead of having to have your bipod sitting on top of something to stabilize your gun, we can now bring it back down here like behind this log, or in this case fence post. But it would work the same on a deadfall while you're out hunting. Now you can push forward on the gun, loading your bipod so you can manage your recoil again without having to worry about it slipping off. And if you pan back, you can see how much I'm actually pushing on this thing.
One of the main reasons we went with the spike on the end of it is to keep the rifle from sliding away from you when you can push on it with your shoulder. It's called loading the bipod, and it takes a lot of the flex out of it, and it helps stabilize the rifle under recoil, so you get to see the target throughout recoil and afterwards. So you can either confirm your shot on an animal or make a follow-up shot or a correction to get the good hit so your big buck doesn't get away from you.
As you can see there, I was able to watch the target through the entire cycle of recoil, and I can see exactly where I hit and need to make any corrections. The rifle's in the same spot it was when we started. We got a couple other tricks that are going to help out with that a little later on. You'll see those in one of the next videos.